I'm gonna have to ask Joshua and Lucas if I can have a talk with the girls too. I need to. This is cool. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hey, kamustang lahat? Hi everybody, I'm Pierre and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we are here once again with Finix and I am excited. These girls have impressed me and I am still recovering from their click click boom wish bus performance and wow, they are just really cool. I am actually loving their vocals. I am loving their rap flows, but there is something about their rawness, their authenticity, and there is something there that is just so intriguing. And I like how they all fit together, how they all work together and sound together. And this is cool. Now, one really nice thing right up front. Today is, what day is today? Today is Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday. And later on, after I do this reaction, I will be having an interview with the two producers, Josh and Lucas from GKD Labels. Those two guys who actually are producing and who formed the band, the group Finix. They gave me a preview copy of the video, Thanks for the Rain, and I am going to watch this now so that we can talk about it in the interview. And yes, I am very, very happy. By the time I'm releasing this, the video will already be out because it's not my place to give spoilers. So I am actually waiting with the release of this video until Saturday or so. And the next day after this, you will be seeing the interview with Josh and Lucas. But as I said, the girls are cool. I am very happy about this. And let us take a look at what this song is all about. I'm really looking forward to it. I have no idea what it's about. I don't know if we'll have more singing, more rapping. Let's just take a look. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. All of my socials are down in the description. And if you have anything to tell me, you know, the comment section is the place to go. But now, it's time to be thankful for the rain. Let's do this. Oh wait, year after year, countless Filipino lives are disrupted and lost. Not just by storms, I am so sorry, but by the neglect, corruption, and broken promises that leave us exposed. Every rain season we brace, yes, not only for rising waters, but for the same cycle of damage and recovery we've been told to accept. This is not fate, this is failure. Oh yes. Okay, we're already talking facts here. This is already, wow. Let's go. Do we have captions? Yes. And that is not far from the truth. That is when it storms outside, when the storms are hitting really hard, hundreds of thousands of kids are probably afraid in the corner somewhere in their houses. Yeah.
Okay ka lang?
No, not
Hintayin mo
really.
sila, Mama. Mag-aayos lang kami ng gamit. Oo, makinig ka muna. Hindi, favorite mo to. Sino nga yun? Finix?
That is good. That is nice. Okay. Nice. Raining in Manila, isn't that a very, very famous song? That's a nice call out here. That is cool.
All day, but love is happening. Got a whole lot of faith in stop.
Whoa.
I really hope the storm don't stop. Nah, I love seeing all these faces. Both smiles big with his brand new braces. Boss said it's gonna be another heartbreaker.
Oh. Oh, that just gave me chills. That was this little girl right here. Oh, wow. Okay. Good God, don't let anything happen to that little girl here in the video. Whoa, okay.
Nah, I love seeing all these faces. Both smiles big with his brand new braces. Boss said it's gonna be another heartbreaker.
I like the lyrics. I actually like the lyrics. They are very relatable, very down to earth, very, how can I put it? It's a story. It's nothing, we're not telling fancy things here. We're not going all bling bling. We're not going, flexing. This is life, what we're hearing here right now. This is cool. Very cool. Wonderful voices. Oh wait, I was just about to say those are the girls, right? She's seeing them. She's happy to see the group. Yeah. I do not know your names all fully yet. I'm so sorry. Too many names up in that little itty bitty brain. But I do know. Wait. I do know. As far as I know this. You. That is Minea. I think. That is Zia. Right, I loved Zia's voice in that slow song with the black and white video. After that drop, she came in with such a precious, fragile voice. I'm going to learn the names. I'm going to learn them. I like this video. It's giving us, we're seeing both sides of the coin. We are seeing the carefree, wonderful world, listening to music. The girl is enjoying herself, seeing her idols and everything. And then we are also seeing on the other side that bitter reality of what actually can happen during rain season, during floods, and during all of what has been happening throughout the years, and which was just also very, very much in the news in the last couple of months. I like the balance we're having here, because it shows it's not only a bleak video about the problem, it just also shows the perseverance. It shows the happiness that is there no matter what, I like the dark side hits harder if you have light there. Ah, yes, that was the girl in green. That is Aki. That was the one who was sitting in the middle in the Wish Buzz performance. The boss.
Breaking news news out of the region this hour as one of the the strongest tropical storm we've seen
Recorded history has hit the Philippines.
This is the worst typhoon in history.
Dagdagan pa ang bilang ng mga
669 ang bilang ng mga namatay.
Wait a sec. This is actually done really nicely. I like how the song faded out slowly and the news coverage became louder. I like the artistry there, because the news, the more it became like overshadowed the happiness a little bit, and the bleak moment came closer and closer and closer. This is actually a very well done video. I like it. Very, very well done. The storytelling is very nice. It feels very close. It feels very close to reality. Good. Really good.
Sir, wala na yung nanay at tatay.
Okay, she's alive. Okay, that is just everything I wanted to know. She's got her eyes open. But what did he just say?
Sir,
Sir?
wala na yung nanay at tatay, tsaka yung kapatid na babae.
Okay. Okay. But this can't be it. Oh no, it's not. But I can get absolutely emotional when it comes to children. It is... Wow. I just hope that this is not a personal story of any of the girls. Oh my God. But this is nothing unusual. That is the really rough part of the whole story. The floods, the rain, everything, it has taken many, many lives. And on the other hand, seeing what is being done, or what is actually not being done, makes this whole thing much more terrible. Oh. I also like the idea that music is her safe haven, that music can be the refuge for, I like that idea a lot. I just realized I haven't even talked about the song itself, the music itself. I have just talked about the story. I like the sound. I like the very... I don't know how to describe it. It has a very soft rock, alternative, indie pop kind of a vibe. I like that the electric guitar was very reverby, very room, very big somehow. It sounded cool. All of the instruments sound really nice. The voices are right there, right? Not too loud, not too quiet. I like the mix. I like it a lot. Very catchy. Very catchy. Uplifting, even though it has such a tremendously sad story. But it also shows us the nice story. It's a mix of... I guess it's reality. It's just the way it is. There's a happy side. There's a sad side. There's a tragedy. There is absolute wonderful things. And the fact that she has found a safe place in music is cool. Wow. So we still have 2 minutes left.
Chaos on the streets of Manila.
While the powerful sit in silence, the streets drown in blood. Oh my God, we march not for chaos, but for justice. Our voices will not be silenced. It is a cry for freedom. We will not bow down to corruption. We will not be silenced.
Here for a change in system. We are tired of the...
If not us, then who? Who will stand against corruption? Who will fight for our future? Hindi mahirap ang Pilipinas. Corrupt lang talaga ang gobyerno. Okay. Ngayon, ang lahat di na malabo. Okay. Yes.
System of what we call bureaucrat capitalism, where the government is being
Louder. Filipinos deserve better. Yes, I mean...
run like a business.
These protests are purely out of love for the country.
There is hope in the Philippines. No to corruption.
Yes, we just saw tons of these pictures in the news. Just, what was it, 6-8 weeks ago? Or 4 to 8 weeks ago, where these protests were. Absolutely crazy. Vice Ganda with that powerful speech. Yes, I'm just saying yes.
God bless the Philippines.
God bless the Philippines, yes. We stand with every Filipino calling for transparency, responsibility, and public systems that serve people, not power. Let's build a Philippines where no family has to fear the rain again. Wow. Okay, this is definitely a song I will have to talk to them about. All proceeds from this music video will be donated to the Philippine Red Cross to support disaster relief and recovery efforts. Oh my God. Kudos. Wow. Salamat. Salamat for that. Okay. This is very touching. This is actually very, very touching. I haven't even spoken with these guys, or, I haven't even known this girl group for more than 3 weeks now, but this here just raised my respect level tons higher. Wow. Because in the end, helping those in need is the core of my person, and this goes very close. This is wow. Okay. Wait. Written and directed by Finix Rika. That's one of the girls, right? Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Okay, the ate was Cole. Okay. Voice actor was Arlo. Voice actor Minea. Okay. Yes, the members Minea, Arlo, Cole, Tris, Aki, Rika, and Zia. Okay, I only have the face to Zia, Aki, Minea, and I think Cole. I do not know which one Rika is right now. I will definitely find out. Oh my God. We're going to have to talk about this. Cinematographer, Rika. Assistant cinematographer, Tris. art director, Rika. I need to talk to the girls too. I'm gonna have to ask Joshua and Lucas if I can have a talk with the girls too. I need to. This is cool. Wow. I am sorry, I am not saying much. I am just basically speechless at this point. Wow. Okay, this makes everything even more interesting. This is going to be a good talk later on. Now that everything's still fresh in my head, I am so looking forward to this. Wow. Very, very nice. I did like the song a lot. I did like the song. Very cool. I'm still trying to figure out what to say because I'm basically speechless at this point. The lyrics were cool. The lyrics were so relatable and so close to the people. You know, they were so freaking authentic. Very nice. Very, very nice. We listened to Raining in Manila. Yes. My God. Really cool. Folks, maraming salamat po. Not only to everybody watching here, but 10 maraming salamat pos to everybody here who was involved and donating all of that to the Red Cross. Very, 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 very nice move. Yes, thank you all for being here. You guys are great. Share this. Put it out there. Please put it out there. And yes, amping ingat. Please take care and stay safe out there. It's a crazy world. It is a crazy world, but it can also be wonderful. So yes. And as I always say, sarangay, anyong. Until the next time. Paalam. Bye.